Yo, yo, yo. Yeah. What? We pick you up with some Sebastian broken hair from too much traction, psoriasis, rusty patches, ringworm, regular bumps, nodules, hair with lumps, alopecia, loss of hair.
Damn, that should be there.
Psychosis, hair, where it should be bare.
Hair, where it should be bare.
Hair,
Where it should be bare.
hair. Oh, where it should be bare.
Really?
Yeah, go.
Okay, here we go. When you have to me a cabbage juice, you feel the word wiggling. You in your head, now your whole body's jiggling. You feel itchy, don't get bitchy, cause you got parasites under your skin. When you're great and you have candy, you're too old for Mike getting your candy. But this place here, bro. Mike will take care of all that dandruff. So sit down here, you little old witch. I'll wash your hair down with some drink. Oh no, what's that there? Beads and nose deformed in your hair.